Hi. In simpliRP ERP, it is very simple to link a sales order to already created material issue voucher. Go to Production Reports, List of Material Issue Vouchers. Select the date range and click Get Report. In the top, there is a link for linking sales order. Click that. Now click on the item in the pop-up. Select the customer. Select the sales order and click Tab. Select the item in that sales order and update. When you go to Sales Order Project Costing Sheet and refresh, you can see that linked MIV is already appearing. simpliRP is the easiest way to manage your organization. Thank you.